Today I am back and I am showing you a cute little summery outfit. Let's just tuck that little tag in there. I swear I am wearing underwear, they're just nude, so just so you know. Everything that I'm wearing is credited in the description below of this video. When it's summertime, honestly, I want to wear the least amount of clothing and accessories that I can get away with while still looking cute. Kind of the same with my hair. It's just messy. It's always up. I'm starting to broaden my collection of silver jewelry. This ring I actually got from James's grandma when she passed away. She gave me some of her rings and some of them were really cool. So this was one of them. Also, it's hot right now. My fingers are swollen. So when I put rings on, I have to kind of like finagle them around to figure out which fingers they fit on. These rings both actually came from James's grandma. So thank you, grandma. And then, what is this ring? This is just an old ring that I have. I like wearing rings on my thumbs, but I can't wear anything that's like sticks out because I feel like it like knocks on everything and it's really annoying. This necklace I went to the Renaissance Fair in May and I was looking for kind of like cool like witchy priestess stuff and I found this necklace on Amazon and I actually ended up really liking it, so now I just wear it just as a normal necklace and not like a costumey necklace. And this is a kimono. I really like this because it has the vibe or the feel of like a cardigan, but it's really lightweight. So it's good on a hot day. An outfit like this where it's, a tank top and a mini skirt and my midriff is exposed, I'm not super comfortable showing that much skin, so I like having the little kimono on the top. Clearly, I'm struggling getting my heels on. It's very hard to put shoes on and film it and only balance on one foot while you put the other shoe on. So please give me my props where they are due when I make these videos for you. And yes, there is a black spot on my carpet. There's actually a couple. Those are actually little spots that are stuck on the carpet. We bought a vintage house from the 70s, so don't judge my carpet. Don't judge the way I stand in heels. Don't judge the makeup box on my couch. So anyways, this is my look. I hope that you guys like it. I did end up wearing this outfit to a club to go dancing at a goth club, and it got really hot inside, so I did end up taking off the kimono, but good idea for those of you gals that want to show a little less skin or want to cover up your arms. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.